Hey everyone, and welcome back to another vlog. So I haven't been doing much this morning, so I thought I would start the vlog now. I have a few things to show you, and I also just wanted to say that I finished filling out my travel grant for my Guatemala trip, so fingers crossed. I don't know if you've watched the vlog, but basically I said that we could get like a £500 grant if we're like obviously struggling with money, and the uni are offering like a travel grant for students who are doing things related to their course. So fingers crossed I actually get that bursary. I'm going to go hand in the form today, because obviously tomorrow me and Megan are heading back home. Hattie is as well, but me and Megan are heading back because we literally live around the corner from each other. And yeah, so I've literally just finished filling that form out. It's really quickly compared to what I was thinking, so I'm buzzing about that. I just need to go and print out some bank statements and stuff at the library en route. I think Megan's going to come with me because I need to return a few bits and pieces too. Should be a good day. I just wanted to quickly show you a couple of PR parcels that I've got. So first thing is from Abbott Leon. If I end up getting any discounts for you guys to like purchase stuff, then I will leave them in the description down below. But it says get the Luxe look. It's really pretty inside. But I actually got to pick out this gorgeous bag. It has rose gold handles. I'll bring it into the light so you can see it a little bit better. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's sort of a cream beigey colour, and then they've actually popped on my initials, which I think is the cutest little touch ever. It's sort of crocodile snaky sort of texture, but I just think this is so beautiful, and I cannot wait to style this on my blog, for my blog and Instagram and stuff. So absolutely love this. Definitely does not go with me outfit now, but yeah, I'm just in like chilled attire as always when I'm in home. But yeah, this is so cute. I cannot wait. It's like a nice little classy bag. Okay, so I got this like little sportswear set from a brand called Melanie K. It's got the little logo here on the sports bra, but I picked out this lovely set. It's got like sort of a pink outline. It's just black and pink basically, and then I bought some like leggings that would sort of match. I think these are 3/4 lengths, but they have like pink panels on the front, and it kind of looks really funny when they're on because it looks like I'm wearing shorts. It's so strange, but I absolutely love it. I think they are very stunning, and they're super comfortable and like perfect for the gym. Like I really love them, and they're not see-through at all. So yeah, thumbs up. Thank you very much to Melanie K for sending those over. I'm just quickly doing some planning and stuff and watching some YouTube whilst I wait for Megan to sort her report out and stuff, and then we're going to head to town. But I just thought I'd show you how cute are these pink postage bags that I got for all my Depop deliveries. I'm posting a couple of things off today, and I get so excited like getting postage bags, and I was like, oh my god, when I saw the pink one. So yeah, thought I'd share that, even though no one probably gives a fuck. Right, so me and Meg are in town. We just had to run a few errands, just a few bits and pieces, and now we're heading to uni because I need to print off some stuff at the library to give in with my travel grant. And was there anything else? No,
it's just a really cute doggo.
Oh, so many cute doggos. Oh, look, he's so happy. We're really excited to see Barney tomorrow. Yay! Yeah, we're also filming a mukbang tonight because Hat's cousin's coming round for the weekend. Yeah, then we can eat loads.
Yeah,
We'll just order loads of random stuff. Ooh, that's a good shout.
Loads of
yeah. I think we've got quite a few questions. Lucia put something. I know you put.
What did she say? Chin chin, bitches.
We literally get the best drink from Starbucks. It's the caramel frappuccino with soya milk, but with cream on top. It makes no sense, but it's so pang. Oh wow! Oh, we're in the new boots. Oh wow!
I was didn't quite finish it.
Yeah, the new boots has opened opposite the old one in Lincoln. So if you're here visiting, you go to uni here or anything, it's actually stunning inside. I know a lot of people got free stuff who were like the first 200 people to come in, but yeah, just off to meet Maddie and Hattie. Oh, Maddie and Hattie, that's kind of a weird thing to say. Hattie as well. It's we have to be we have to be formal. We have to be formal on the vlog because we call each other the weirdest fucking names ever. Yeah. So I always have to like tone it down for the vlog so people don't think I'm the weirdest person ever. Yeah. But we're just on our way to Domino's. It's pretty much next to KFC because that's where Hat and Maddie are getting food from. Me and Megan fancy a big fat Domino's, so we're gonna get like a family deal.
A huge one.
Yeah, because it's mukbang time. Right, so I am just in bed now. I'm going to do some emails and stuff. We filmed a mukbang earlier, but obviously that's why there's been such a massive gap between the last time I spoke. But yeah, we had a really nice time, and you'll see the mukbang this weekend. So hopefully when this vlog is up and you're watching, if you're watching on like Sunday or whenever I upload this, it should be up on my main channel. So I will leave it down below if I have uploaded or managed to. It's just I've got a lot of things to do this weekend. I'm just a little bit stressed out, but it's fine. I'll cope. Hope you're all having a wonderful weekend so far, and I will chat to you in the morning when I'm a little bit more awake and buzzing. I'm so excited to go home and just see Barney and my family and everything. It'll be really nice to have a break. I just need to finish my chemistry coursework, then I can fully relax a little bit whilst I'm revising. Good morning everyone. So I have just been into town. It is super busy. I had to go pick up my prescription, so I have enough of my tablets to have over Easter, because it's always a bit of a faff, like you can't really change your doctors whilst you're at uni. That's something that not a lot of people talk about. You can be like a temporary patient when you're back at home in your usual doctors that you've had like your whole life, but it's something not a lot of people talk about. So I definitely recommend, if you're on like a repeat prescription or anything like that, or like the pill, to get a good load of tablets or whatever you need before you go home, because it is always a bit of a struggle trying to get hold of them and stuff. So yeah, that was pretty quick and easy, and now I'm just gonna go home, bring all my stuff from downstairs. I've sorted everything out last night, like I packed everything up that I need, and Megan's mum and brother are already here, so we'll pack the car up and start heading home. I'm literally so excited to see my little puppy, and Megan's also very, very excited to meet him, and so is Meg's mum as well.
Hey Mum, do you want to be in the vlog? No. Vlogging?
Yeah.
This is Megan's mum.
Yay! Jenny's my #1 fan.
Oh look, there's a windmill coming up. There's a windmill.
Yeah. There we go.
There we go.
Crazy boy! Crazy boy! He's crazy boy!
Oh, crazy boy! It's literally what Arlo does. He does crazy running as well. Crazy running!
He's a bit big for crazy running now.
Crazy running! Yeah, Arlo makes
What's
a
he
mess.
doing?
It crashes into it.
Oh!
Oh,
Hey, Barney.
Milk bowl.
Oh no. Barney. Look how cute little Barney is. He's just fell asleep just here in between the kitchen and the lounge. He looks like a little toy bear. So I'm now back home. You'll have seen Barney in many a clip. Just done some filming as well for a video that's going up in May that I'm doing, which is very exciting. So I can't wait for you guys to see, because I feel like you'll really enjoy it as well. And but me and Aiden are just on the way to Morrison's to go grab some food for dinner. And that's about it really. Like, we're just gonna go grab food for me, mum, dad and Aiden. David's at work, and yeah, the trip back from Lincoln was fine. Like, we got back pretty quickly, and Megan, Jenny and Charlie all loved Barney. They came in and had a little cuddle sesh with him. I'm so excited to walk my dog with Megan's dog Arlo, because they're gonna get on so well. I just can't wait. and there's lots of like really nice like country parks and stuff around near us, so in the summer I'm sure that's what we'll be doing a lot, so you'll see a lot of fun dog walks if you enjoy that. I don't know, but we're heading to Morrison's now and going to grab some food. So me and Aiden are just about to do some, well, I'm about to do some work before going to bed. We've literally just been watching, what was that programme called? I don't even know what the programme was called.
USA?
Fuck off. But I just wanted to say, I am a bit frustrated. I put it on my Instagram, you might have seen, but about YouTube always disabling the ads on the videos where I'm actually helping people, and like, I literally don't care if I'm not earning loads of money from YouTube. Like at this point in my life, it's great that I can earn some money, but I know that it's not gonna like afford to like pay for my student life, do you know what I mean? But it just pisses me off that the videos I'm actually doing to help people and help others who are not as open as me, and just things to do with like mental health and body confidence, and like videos where I'm showing like stuff on like the swimwear haul and stuff, all of them videos are demonetized, or the ads are pretty much taken away because it's not suitable for advertisers and brands don't want their ads on my videos. And it kind of just frustrates me because it's actually the things that are affecting my generation. Like body image issues and mental health problems are probably the two main negative issues currently, like within society, like people around my age and obviously a lot older and a lot younger than me. So it just pisses me off that those are the videos that YouTube decided to stop me from like earning money and stop my video from being promoted to people. It just has been angering me this evening. Just thought I'd have a chat about it, and hopefully some of you guys can share your views on it. I'm sure you'll be as angry as me. Like I can't really see why you'd see the other side of it, to be honest. But I'm going to bed now. I hope you've enjoyed the last 2 days, just doing random shit. There will be a lot of Easter holiday vlogs, mainly lots of revision stuff. I want to do some real-time study with me because a lot of you guys want to see that. I feel like that will keep me productive for like a good hour or two as well, if I'm being like filmed the whole time, so I can't do random stupid shit and procrastinate. Make sure you hit thumbs up if you enjoy, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you very soon for another vlog. I'm actually heading to Portsmouth this weekend, so I might film some bits there before I start my revision vlogs.